Hi guys, welcome to this video. So if you are a man who's looking to perform better and who's looking to also have your partner always come back for like more and more every time, or if you just want to like unleash that inner beast within you, you need to get your hands on the horse gelatin trick, because the horse gelatin trick is something that's been helping a lot of men. And this is done with simple things that you have in your household. So if you're looking for like a simple routine that you incorporate into your lives in the morning, and that can give you like massive results and keep you going at it all night long, and raise your libido, improve your stamina, then the horse gelatin trick for men is exactly what you need. Below this video, I left a link for you guys if you're interested in wanting to get to know more about it. Believe me, this is as safe as it gets. It's healthy, it's easy to prep up, and the results you get are results that, keep coming, basically. And you are also going to feel more energized. You're going to feel a lot better. So, guys, why wait until another day when you can get started on the horse gelatin trick today? Pop over to that link to get to know more about it, okay? Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.